As the question says, a monkey of mass 15 kg is climbing on a rope with one end fixed to the ceiling. If it wishes to go up with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, how much force should it apply to the rope? If the rope is 5 meter long and the monkey starts from rest, how much time will it take to reach the ceiling? So let us divide this question into two parts. The part A, in which we need to find out the force, and the part B, in which we need to find out the time. Now, let us first draw the diagram of this question, in which we have a string on which a monkey is climbing up with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. So, we can make the free body diagram for this monkey as equivalent to a block of mass m, where m is 15 kg, having a downward force of mg, a tension T, and an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. So framing the equation, we can say m into acceleration is equals to total force in the direction of acceleration minus the total force in the downward direction. Putting the value of mass, we can say 15 is equals to T minus 15g. That is T equals to 15 plus 15 into 10. If we take g equals to 10, then it becomes 150 plus 15, that is 165 Newton. So we can say that this monkey should apply a force of 165 newtons on the rope in the downward direction, so that the rope will in turn give a force of 165 newton on the monkey in the opposite direction, that is the upward direction, and the monkey therefore can accelerate with this acceleration in the upward direction. Now, let us proceed with the second part of the question. We are having the acceleration equals to 1. We have the displacement s equals to 5, and we have been given that the monkey starts from rest, that is the initial velocity equals to 0, and we need to find out the time. So we can simply employ the second equation of motion, writing it as s is equals to ut plus half at square. So 5 is equals to 0 plus half into 1 into t square, that is t square equals to 10, giving us t equals to root 10 seconds, right? So this can be approximated as 3.16 seconds. Now, in this question, you need to notice that this force that the monkey should apply on the rope will be coming from the tension in the rope. This tension, how this phenomena is actually working, here comes the role of static friction that is acting between the monkey and the rope. This you will learn in the chapter of frictional forces. So I am leaving it to that topic, but it is enough at this point of time to notice that this tension will be giving you the necessary force.